Want to sound more natural in everyday English? Learn these informal adjectives native speakers use all the time. Flaky, meaning unreliable or likely to change plans, forget things, or not do what was promised. He's nice, but he's pretty flaky. Don't be flaky. Are you coming or not? Iffy, meaning uncertain, doubtful, or not completely reliable or safe. The weather's looking iffy, so let's stay home. I'm kind of iffy about going out tonight. Salty, meaning annoyed, bitter, or upset, especially because you lost or didn't get what you wanted. He's still salty about losing the game. Don't get salty. It was just a joke. Sleazy, meaning dishonest, immoral, or unpleasant, especially in a way that makes you uncomfortable. I don't trust him. He seems sleazy. That place looks kind of sleazy. Snooty, meaning acting as if you are better, smarter, or more important than other people. The waiter seemed a little snooty. Don't give me that snooty attitude. Spacey, meaning distracted, absent-minded, or not fully aware of what's happening around you. Sorry, I'm feeling a little spacey today. He seemed spacey after staying up all night. Snazzy, meaning stylish, attractive, or impressive in a slightly flashy way. That's a snazzy jacket. He showed up in a snazzy new car. Brainy, meaning very intelligent or clever, especially at learning and understanding things. My sister is really brainy. You don't have to be brainy to use this app. Chatty, meaning talking a lot in a friendly and relaxed way. My neighbor is really chatty. She gets chatty after a cup of coffee. Dorky, meaning slightly awkward or silly in a funny and harmless way. I know it's a dorky photo, but I love it. He can be a little dorky sometimes. Glam, meaning very stylish, attractive, and luxurious in appearance. She's going for a glam look tonight. This hotel is so glam. Grungy. Meaning dirty, untidy, or rough-looking, often with a deliberately casual style. He loves wearing grungy old jeans. That little bar has a cool, grungy vibe. Hyper. Meaning extremely energetic or excited, making it difficult to stay calm or still. The kids are really hyper today. I get hyper after too much coffee. Laid back. Meaning relaxed and easygoing, without getting worried or stressed easily. My boss is pretty laid back. I love the laid back atmosphere here. Mellow. Meaning relaxed, calm, and easygoing, without much stress or excitement. I'm in a mellow mood tonight. Let's have a mellow evening at home. Mouthy. Meaning speaking in a rude or disrespectful way, especially to someone in authority. That kid is getting pretty mouthy. Don't get mouthy with your parents. Nutty. Meaning slightly crazy or strange in a funny or harmless way. My uncle is a little nutty. That sounds like a nutty idea, but let's try it. Perky. Meaning cheerful, lively, and full of energy. She's always so perky in the morning. How are you so perky after getting only 5 hours of sleep? Touchy. Meaning easily offended, upset, or annoyed by things that other people say or do. She's a little touchy about her age. Don't bring that up. She's touchy about it. Cranky. Meaning easily annoyed or in a bad mood, especially for a short time. I'm a little cranky today. I didn't sleep well. The kids get cranky when they're tired. Bossy. Meaning always telling other people what to do in an annoying way. My little brother is getting really bossy. Don't be so bossy. I can do it myself. Think you remember them all? Let's find out. Flaky means unreliable. Iffy means uncertain. Salty means annoyed. Sleazy means immoral. Spacey means distracted. Snazzy means stylish. Dorky means awkward. Glam means luxurious. Grungy means dirty. Mellow means calm. Mouthy means rude. Perky means cheerful.